Oh, it's thrills, spills and mayhem today in the tool world, people. Coming up is a rusty tin. And a not so rusty tin. But first, let's get stuck in with some wrenches. Got that 15-inch crescent, look. Gador 12. Unusual to find a 12 of anything. And look at this, another 12. Isn't that amazing? A Presto. Presto 14. Presto 14. A Shelly. And what's this? This is a RSDA 200. Poland, yep. But these ones are hard wire cutters. So they're quite nice and interesting. Alright, and them little white cocktail sausages again, don't like them. People, stop sending me the white cocktail sausages. They taste like shit. And this is, that's a better size multi-tool, isn't it? Yeah, alright. Alright, this one here is a wannabe, that one, isn't it? Look at that, cool. And that has got a screwdriver and a thingy, that ain't got a thingy, puller, and a hammer and a little axe. So there we are. That's big brother, little brother, isn't it? Big brother, little brother. Be quick, got to go work in a minute. Got to love rusty old tins. Now what this is, pile them up there. What this is this. Oh, look at that. Oh, I never did. That's terrible, isn't it? Well, this is supposed to be is indistro. Anyway, that's going to take a bit of cleaning, isn't it? Oh dear. I think we'll need a fresh batch of deoxy for that bugger. Well, I don't know what to say about that. I'm a bit... oh no, it's not what I thought it was. Thank God for that. Okay. I thought it was a socket set. It's the ox. Look at that beauty. And guess what? It's the ox metal punch. The ox. So that's an incredible thing, isn't it? There's a couple of punches missing apparently, but I'll tell you, that's and there he is. My last one for today. So this was that's a Utica. I mean, come on, I've never seen a Utica one of them. I bought this entire lot for that. This is the biggest pair of Elliott Lucas nippers I've ever seen. And these are Krauter, USA. The last pair of Krauter I had went for about 20 quid. And these are Elliott Lucas as well. Present the Presto bits, along with these snippers and the other wrench and stuff, was £11.60. Bargain. Remarkably, this cost less than a little pair. These were a tenner, and they are, I mean, they're tongies as well. And you can pulsate out, can't give it a tap, give it a chop. Brilliant. The Utica. Right, so these, or the big ones, one pair of these was £1.99. They were a £5. The Utica, I lost it, £6. That's a bargain, 10-inch Utica for £6. Right, it was a pair of these. So these were, believe it or not, £8. But I mean, look at the size of them. They're humongous. They're 10.5 inches. Them big ones, 10.5. and 7. 10.5 inches. They've got to be a keeper because I ain't got none of them. So, this was £10 plus £3.20 postage.
And this was £22. Right, that's it for today. I'm going to say bye for now. Have a good weekend. And of course, thanks very much for watching.